this is the normal door on a four-wheel pop-up camper. Deadbolt, small deadbolt for this bottom latch, and a paddle latch which locks the handle. You can open your door just by pulling on it. Inside here, you have your screen door. To release the screen door, there's a latch right here. Just push the latch down. Inside you have your paddle latch. The deadbolt here, the red switch is for the small deadbolt here. Comes in and out. And then we add from the factory a house deadbolt for more security. Screen door will latch there. Some of the common things that people get hung up on here is the way things lock. This locks like your house. Turn it to the right and the deadbolt goes in the door. It'll lock that door shut. The second latch down here is separate key. If you turn it to the right, that actually unlocks it. So if you turn it to the left, you're turning the key to the left, but the deadbolt's going to the right. That locks that little door. So that's somewhat confusing for people. This one, not such a mystery because when it's locked, it's locked. When it's open, it's open. Just a word for the wise. This guy turns to the right to lock, turns to the left to unlock. This one's just the opposite. Turn it to the left, it actually shoots the lock in there. Turn it to the right, it'll bring the lock back in. And then this one up and down will lock your handle. That's about all you need to know here, but customers like to know this sometimes when they feel like they're going to get locked out because they can't get the door open. It's usually this one that throws them off because they're thinking righty to lock it, but it's actually turn it to the left and vice versa. So hope that helps.